Hey y'all, today we are going to be doing a couple of things. We are going to be setting up the greenhouse that I got from Amazon last year. So this will be its second season. So I'm going to show you guys how it's stored, how easy it sets up, and how well it is held up over this last year. And then I'm also going to be planting some of the Proven Winner seeds that I received about a month ago in their new compostable pots. As always, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when my latest videos are up, and make sure you jump over and follow me on TikTok. Also, drop me a comment below. Let me know how you're doing, how your gardening's looking, how your garden is looking, and what you're looking forward to the most with spring just around the corner. Okay, so my greenhouse is not a giant greenhouse. It's a greenhouse from Amazon. It consists of this big green cover and all of these green poles with all of these little contraptions to put the poles together. And then a number of garden stakes that I use to secure the whole thing down. And I will drop a link to that Amazon greenhouse so you know where it is, and it's going to go right here across the front of the lawn. It is only temporary, so it will be put up. And then since we are expecting cooler weather, these seedlings that I've had outside enjoying the warm weather the last few days, they are going to make their way into the greenhouse so that they are nice and warm. Okay, I have the frame all set up. The frame is made out of metal pipes, and these are plastic, I guess, end cap pieces, closures. And then I'm going to use these stakes, and I'm going to be staking down all the way around because this is not like a heavy design, and there's definitely a chance with wind coming through that the whole thing could rise up off the ground. So I will do the garden stakes all the way around the base, and then I will put the cover on top. I did make sure to place it in a place that gets full sun all day long because that'll be really important for keeping all the seedlings warm inside. Okay, here it is with the whole setup. These are zipper sides. So these can be zipped open, zip closed. They also have a Velcro thing that secures them at the bottom. the inside. So in the inside, I'll need to go around and tie in the places right there. And then you can already, this has been on for a few moments. It's already a million times warmer in here. All right, let me get those ties done and then let's move in our seedlings. Okay, there you go. So I've gone ahead and closed it up. It is going to retain some heat. We are supposed to get just below freezing tonight. And I water the seedlings really well because that'll also help maintain humidity, which is better for the seedlings. These seedlings should do fine as long as we don't have any hard freezes. If it was a hard freeze and in my area that's 28 degrees or below, then I would actually bring all these seedlings inside, or I would run some type of heater situation into the greenhouse. I prefer not to do the heater situation because this greenhouse is plastic and I don't want there to be fire. I don't want to melt anything. This could be a bad situation. So I'd rather just bring all the seedlings in, safe, better safe than sorry, protect my home, protect my garden as well. So that gives you a basic idea of my greenhouse. It worked great last year. I'm super impressed how well everything held up. Like, it looks really, really good, y'all. So I'm super happy with that. So, but let's go ahead and get on to the proven winner seeds with their compostable pots. Okay, so I'm going to try to talk through this, but in all honesty, there's kiddos playing outside, so it's going to be a little bit loud. But Proven Winners Direct contacted me about trying out some of their new seeds that they offer. They offer sets, they offer individual packages, and then also these compostable self-feeding starter pots. So basically the idea is that the pot is compostable, but that it also has built-in fertilizer into the system. So let's open one of these up and take a look and see what this looks like. Comes 6 little pots, has drainage holes. It definitely has holes on the side to allow a lot of oxygen, which will be good because that'll cut down on any kind of mold or algae. And then, I mean, the pots feel pretty sturdy. These are not like a genuine, just basic plastic pot. These definitely have some like oomph to them. It says it's safe for waterways. It's great for food yield. Let me see. It says not to pack the soil too tightly or it will crack the pot. Add seeds approximately 1/4 of the way down into the soil and lightly cover with loose soil, gently water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by going ahead and getting these filled up with a basic seed mix. And then I think I'm going to actually label on the side, which is kind of nice that these are a lighter color because I can actually write with Sharpie on the side which seeds I'm going to get started. So let's get started on that. Okay, so I'm going to be growing Fire Away hot and heavy hot peppers. I'm going to be trying Pesto Besto, that's a sweet basil. I'm also going to be trying Good Hearted cocktail tomatoes and the Buried Treasure white strawberry, so it's an ever-bearing strawberry. So let's see, each of these 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. This one's an 1/8 of an inch. And this one is surface. So each of them have something a little bit different. Let me start by writing on each of these what they are. Buffy, go, Buffy. Oh my gosh. No, Buffy, go on. Did y'all just see my dog try to take Okay, that's super interesting. She picked one up and walked away with it. These have built-in fertilizer in them. So I wonder if she was attracted to their scent. Look at her, she's obsessed. That's crazy. Okay, random. Okay, I'm not gonna write on the pots. I'm gonna actually write on these little things. All right, Pesto Besto is 1/4 of an inch. Okay, these are not resealable packages. It's good to know. Oh, you know what? Look, I didn't even have to make the tag. They come with the tags. I'm not gonna lie, but that is friggin' amazing. Look at there. I feel all professional and everything. Look, dates of germination, plant depth, spacing, full exposure, full sun. Oh, I'm kind of friggin' in love with that. That's amazing. Wow. Okay. Super exciting. I think this was 25 seeds. I'm gonna go ahead and do all of them. I'm just gonna sprinkle them across the top and then add a layer of soil on top. And then I have no problem dividing out these seedlings as needed once they're larger. Let's do Fire It Away. Look at there. So fun. Okay, and these are 1/4 of an inch. And this came with 15 seeds. Actually came with a few more than 15. Okay. Cover these with some soil. Like I said, if I get good germination for all of these, I can break apart the seedlings. Next is the Berry Treasure. Okay, the Berry Treasure did not come with a name tag. Let me put this over here. I'm not gonna lie, now that I've seen the name tag, I really, really want the name tag. Okay, and these are so on the surface. So I'm just gonna sprinkle them across the top. There's 15 seeds in here, and these are tiny, y'all. Tiny seeds. So I'm just going to lightly sprinkle these across the top. And we are not going to do anything to them. And then the last one is the Good Hearted Cocktail Tomatoes. And that one did not come with a tag either. And this one is about 1/8 of an inch deep. And this came with 15 seeds too. All right, I'm gonna put just a little bit over the top of this. And this is our water from below. So I'm gonna go ahead and work these in. These are all gonna go in here. And they have drainage, so they'll suck up the water from below. And they fit really well in this tray. I'm gonna go ahead and mist the tops of them. Love you, buddy. Okay, I've got them in the dome. I filled up the tray with water so they'll soak up a ton of water, and then I top watered them as well. And they're under my lights. So let's see how they do. I'll keep you guys updated on their germination rate and how the seedlings do. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's projects, putting together the greenhouse from Amazon. As a reminder, this is its second year. It held up really good the first year, and I've dropped the link below if you're interested. And then I also planted up some of the Proven Winners' new series of seeds in their compostable, self-fertilizing pots, which is kind of exciting too. So I'll also drop the link to those products below as well if you're interested in trying them out and growing along beside me. As always, she's a mad gardener or decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.